was a strong and friendly fella with the name of Campanella. He was someone special, I could see right off the bat. There was something.
Webcasting from the Little Bell Publishing Studios in Rockton, Illinois, this is the Mortgage Messenger with host Jim Campanella. This podcast is the first in a series on your credit report. Today, we're going to be talking about how to obtain your free credit report. Future podcasts will include understanding credit score and credit repair. So why is it so important that you know what's on your credit report? Well, first off, it's your legal right. The United States government has determined that you're able to receive a copy of your report for free once a year. Now, if you're thinking about refinancing your home or applying for a mortgage for a new home or obtaining any type of credit, I'm sure you realize that your credit report is an important part of the process in determining if you're going to obtain that credit. But it's much more than that now. The credit lines you currently have could be affected by your credit report. The ability to obtain a job may be affected by what's on your credit report. So it's important that you take the time and learn what's on your report. Now, I'm sure you've all heard the commercials for your free credit report with the cute jingles, and I'm certainly not judging those ads or passing judgment on the companies that promote that. But those services come with a catch. You have to pay for their service. Even though the credit report may be free, in order to obtain the credit report, you have to subscribe to the service for them to monitor your credit and to help you understand what's on your credit report. It may be worth the money to do that, but they're not free. Today we're going to talk about truly obtaining your free credit report. The only site authorized by our government and supported by the three repositories, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, is www.annualcreditreport.com. From this central site, you will be linked to each of the three bureaus where you can request your free credit report. Once you're at their websites, you'll be asked a few security questions, and then you'll actually be able to review and print your credit report. Now, if you prefer, you can also call the credit bureaus or write them to receive your copy of your credit report, but that takes 2 to 3 weeks. At that point, you can also receive a copy of your credit score. But keep in mind, the credit bureaus do not offer that service for free. There is a small charge to receive your credit score. Now, a while back, I had a customer who I've known for some time who was certain his credit was fine, it was perfect actually, his credit score would be good, and applied to refinance his home. Never thought about actually looking at his credit report prior to coming in for the refinance of the mortgage. When we pulled the credit, we found that unfortunately there was some issues that needed to be resolved, not because of his own credit, but because his son, who had the same name, had some credit issues. This is why it's important for you to know what's on your report. You may know your credit's perfect. You may know you have some problems, but it's important that the information is accurate. We were able to work through the problems and were able to fix the situation so he could get his refinance of his loan. But if he would have known this ahead of time, this could have all been resolved first. So it's very important, once you have your credit report, actually 3 credit reports, one from each bureau, for you to go line by line and review the information. For more information about your free credit report, as well as how to dispute items on your credit report, you can go to my website, www.mortgagemessenger.net, for more detailed information. If you have any questions or comments or would like additional information, you can email me at mortgagemessenger@gmail.com. You can leave a comment at this site or just visit www.mortgagemessenger.net, where you'll find additional information about your free credit report. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you. Next week, we'll discuss how to understand your credit score.
forget you, Campanella. You're still the MVP within my heart. You're still the MVP within my heart.